Alright, so this week was kind of scuffed, but also good at the same time. I'm delayed 10 minutes, TradingView hates me, I definitely trolled a couple trades, but somehow I still walked away green. So I'm just gonna walk through what I did, what I messed up, and why some of these trades worked and some of them were just straight ego. So January 20th, I came in super bullish this day, like way too confident honestly. My analysis was saying we were about to rip, volume looked good, structure looked clean. I was just waiting for the move. I got into a long early and price actually did move in my favor pretty quick. I was up like 37 bucks, nothing insane, but enough where I wanted to lock it in and move my stop to break even. And bruh, TradingView's paper trading just absolutely bugged out. My stop wouldn't move, it kept snapping to random levels, and before I could even fix it, boom, I got stopped out. Still green, but mentally, I was already tilted. So obviously, instead of stepping away like a normal person, I immediately jumped back into another long, no confirmation, no patience, and yeah, instant stop out, minus 6 bucks. That trade wasn't even about the setup, I was just crashing out straight up. Next day though, completely different mindset. We had a huge push up, price came back into value era, and this time I didn't chase it. I just treated it like a continuation. Limit buy, stop at the internal low, target at the point of control. Because I'm delayed 10 minutes, I literally couldn't micromanage it, so I just let it play out, and that trade ended up hitting for 173 on the day. Same strategy as before, same market, only difference was I didn't crash out. On the 28th, I pulled up a fixed range volume profile, price broke through value area, came back inside, and I started seeing sellers absorbing. That's one of my favorite looks, when price tries to accept higher and just fails. Since I'm delayed, I entered market, stop above the internal high, targeting the internal low, exact 2R to 1 trade. Trade did exactly what it was supposed to do, and it was a good day. Now, the 29th, this one hurt. We had a big displacement move, tapped value area low, and initially I was looking for longs. But then I remembered I'm delayed, so chasing longs there would have been dumb, as price probably already reversed up. So I waited for a retracement to short. I had 2 limit orders, one at point of control, one at value area high, and then I did the thing I always tell myself not to do. I moved my value area entry lower, adjust my stop, basically started second guessing myself. Price literally top ticked my stop, and then reversed exactly where my original setup was. So I had the right mind, but I didn't have the right entry. After that, I was pretty annoyed, so instead of forcing more trades, I just closed the charts and played Minecraft. Before bed, I placed some swing limit orders at key levels, one buy, one sell, and just let them sit. Next morning, none of them hit, and honestly, I was fine with that. Price was choppy, failed auctions everywhere, and trading while delayed just wasn't worth it in my opinion. So I called it early. Biggest takeaways for me was don't crash out, and don't crash out. I'm still delayed, so I might invest in deep charts to practice even more with real data and more accurate volume profiles, since they're owned pretty much by the top order flow experts in the entire world. If you're trading volume profile or futures and this helped at all, drop a like and subscribe if you want more honest recaps like this. Thanks.